Welcome to the channel. Enjoy watching.
Which took the unusual step of filing a brief in this case.
It would be hard to even know exactly what that meant.
The Chief Justice's brief, while nominally not taking sides, says that were the U.S. Supreme Court to adopt the position advocated by...
I only have one question. Why did he stand there? A terrible disaster that happened at night.
Video protected. Video protected.
I like the way he stepped on the gas. At that moment, a sandwich almost happened. They clearly have a disagreement about something. I have no idea why he did that in front of the police car. Winter spares no one, not even him.
What the fuck?
No comments. Terrible accident.
Wow, lady. Oh, fuck.
How did he manage to do it? Water again, disaster again. It didn't work out well.
What the fuck?
The driver is a great guy. At this moment they got off easy. The black car almost hit two cars, and in wet weather. No less, what a guy. Based on experience, apparently.
But another part understood. It whispered, this is what people can focus their attention on if they aren't constantly at work. You learn something living among them. Your life is not normal. This aspect of the characters becomes so much more alien than the tentacles. I wanted peace for my people, yes. But to imagine a world without
holy shit, dude.
without the military complex being society's central and most demanding.
The sharks and the wolves took position behind the others in a slightly staggered formation that covered the gap between the two leading coaches. Mobile, with 50 Shigeru Senshi warriors, formed a mobile reserve behind.
Decided to get out on the road and have a party. Very cool.
Every day. Dude, you fucking idiot. Oh my god. These people are so fucking dumb.
That is brain luck. Why he brakes so abruptly?
What the fuck are you doing?
Awkward situation.
And 15 yards in the first half off 7 receptions. Walk us through that final touchdown just before the half. How in the heck did he get so wide open? And how can the Rams perhaps try to alleviate that from happening in the second half?
How lucky he is. The default situation is absurd almost everywhere. Major accident at the intersection. He decided to show off. He fell asleep. I have to commend the driver for the way he handled this situation. Oops, wrong way.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh my god! You fucking serious? You're a fucking faggot!
He lost control. There was almost an accident. This is the last video, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a comment and like it, and also subscribe. Thank you very much.